So now we would be demonstrating how blockchain commitments work to prove that the trial was conducted securely and there was no tampering of data. So in the first hackathon, we had produced these RSA key pairs, and these are the key pairs that are the result of that. Now the all pair.csv contains private key comma secret keys, which is present with the CRO, and this CRO would create the MD5 sum of this file and commit it on the blockchain via this smart contract, and anyone would be able to check this commitment. Similarly, Drishyam, which is a completely separate entity, but just for the sake of simplicity we are showing it on the same computer, would have mapping.csv. This app would also create a MD5 sum and commit it onto the blockchain. Then we have the results of the trial from the patients, and these would be inserted in the database. We do this using a Python app based on Django. We send a post request and we receive a MD5 sum from the from our data, and every patient would commit the same using his or her address, and this has been committed. Oh, sorry, committed. Okay, so now once all the data has been committed, all these files would be shared, and basically our study is complete. Say some point later in time, a third party wants to verify the authenticity of this trial. What it needs to do is simply go to the testing API and send the result of these trials. It would receive a MD5 hash, and then it would take this patient's address, verify it with the commitment, and if this commitment, this 35AC starts with 35AC and ends with 71F, matches with the commitment provided by the entry in the database, that is starts with 35AC and ends with 71F, it means that the trial was conducted successfully. There was no security issues. If these do not match, it means that the trial was faulty. Thank you.